Yeah, so I'm Ivy, and I'm a final year medical student from King's College London, and I'm a medical student intern at the tech group. So my research looks at the use of wearable technologies for improving surgical training, and it's basically looking at the current wearables that's been developed by preclinical and clinical studies, and how these can be used to improve the current surgical training. So for example, there is the head-mounted displays, which the surgeons can wear, and it gives the surgeons a augmented visualization. So for example, they can display some patient imaging in front of the surgeon's field of view to facilitate them for surgical assistant purposes. There's the smart glasses, which are used mainly for telementoring. So for example, the glasses that surgeons wear can then capture the operative view of the trainees in real time, and that can be then displayed in front of a expert surgeon remotely, and they can then give real-time auditory feedback or even kind of visual cues to guide the trainee surgeons. There's the sensorized surgical gloves, which captures the forces that trainees apply during tissue handling, and these data can then be exported to be used for analysis. Technology in surgery is generally quite a promising field, and it's developing rapidly. And specifically for my project, it allows me to see how innovation kind of intersects with clinical practice and also clinical education. And I think it's really fascinating how it has the potential to be part of our training in the future if things go well. And also I think I'm quite interested in global surgery, so I think it's very promising, especially for telementoring, where it can really play a big role in global surgery in the future. So I think that really fascinates me. I think it's been quite a big privilege as a medical student. It's been one of the most transformative experience during my medical school. And I think just being able to observe and interact with members of the team, including other medical students, including my supervisors, it's been really helpful to see kind of how they work and how, to listen to group meetings and look at some of the ideas being generated from that. And also I think in general, it allows me to see working in surgery is like, not only from a clinical point of view, but also, there's so much diversity to the job scope in surgery. There's the research, there's also part of education and training. And I think that has, a huge impact for the future of surgery in general. And I think that's definitely something that I'd like to be involved and have as part of my future career.